Yo, what up, tribe? All right, so we are currently in week 3 of the preparation phase, but I am yet to make it to a gym just yet to start that training program. But that is no excuse. So right now what I'm doing is going on like a quick 3 to 5 mile run up these mountains and yeah, get my conditioning and maintain my conditioning so that if I don't get any of the strength training in this week, at least my conditioning is maintained. So when I get back to the bean, right, I could just, smooth sail straight into it. So it should be a good time. And yeah, let's get it. You know that feeling that you get when you ran a little too far and you realize that you gotta run right back? Shit.